Okay, hi guys. So in this lecture, we'll be doing more practice on the nomenclature of polyfunctional groups. So let's get started. The first example as this, we have here a ketone and an ester in a same compound. Okay, so what would be the name of this compound? Obviously, according to the priority rule, you can guess that the ether would be given the priority in suffix, so the name would be ethyl, then 3-oxo, and why 3? Because 1 2 at third carbon position we have keto group, so prefix we used would be oxo, 3-oxo, then butanoate. Okay, alkyl part would be written, alkyl part would be written first, hence ethyl 3-oxo-butanoate. Let's look at the second example. We have OAT here, and then we have this here. So again, ethyl group will be given higher priority, so before starting ethyl first, then we'll be writing 1 2 3. On fourth carbon we have chloroformyl group as the prefix, so 4 chloroformyl, then we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexanoate. Okay, let's look at third example. Here we have again a amide group, carboxylic acid group, and we have a nitrile, and we have a ester, and we have 2 double bonds, and we have a amide group also. Okay, so what would be the IUPAC name of this compound? Okay, so obviously this group would be given the suffix because it is the highest in our priority rule. Okay, so apart from that, we have at position number 3 we would have 1 2 3, we have carbonyl. Okay, at position number 7 we have cyano, 3 4 5 6 7, and this is 8th. Okay, and at 6th position we have ethyl carbonyl, and finally we have octa 3,5 diene oic acid. Okay, this is 3 carbomyl, so just a typo here, just rewriting it. So the prefix of CONH2 is carbomyl. Okay, and this is 7 cyano 6 ethoxycarbonyl, again ethoxycarbonyl, because C group is attached first as a substituent, so it would be alkoxycarbonyl. Okay, and alkoxy derives its word from number of carbon atoms here, so ethoxycarbonyl. Okay, let's look at another example. We have this, and finally again acid. Okay, so what would be the name of this compound? Again, OH would be having the prefix because these two groups would be having the higher priority than OH group, so 2 3 dihydroxy, then butane 1 4 dioic acid would be the name. Okay, let's look at another example. We have NH2, CH2 and CO2H. What would be the name of this compound? Again, this group would be given higher priority, or the suffix would be derived from this CO2H group. So we have 2-amine, then ethanoic acid. Simple. Okay, let's look at another example where we have something like this. So what would be the name of this compound? Again, this is the ketone group, would be given the prefix name. So 2-oxo, then we have pentanoic acid. Okay, let's look at another example. We have this. So what would be the name of this compound? Again, CHO group would be given higher priority, obviously due to the priority sequence or priority rules we discussed in previous lectures. So it would be cyclohexane, again 2-ene carbaldehyde. Okay, now let's look at another example. We have isotope of hydrogen called deuterium as D here, and we have CH3 here. So what would be the IUPAC name? Simple, 2-deuterino, then propane. Okay, let's look at another example. Here we have COH, then CH2 and NH2. What would be the name of this compound? Simple, obviously this group would be given higher priority because of the priority rules we discussed in the previous lectures. Then we have 3-amino, and the numbering would also start from this carbon atom or from the left hand. So 3-amino, 2-hydroxy. Okay, and then propanoic acid. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this lecture, but before ending I'll just like to write a simple note here, that the carbo word for carbon containing functional group is used only in ring or in specific rule. So carbo word for carbon containing functional group in only 2 cases. First is when there is a ring case or ring compound, and second is during specific rule. Okay, only then the carbo word is attached to the functional groups. Okay, so with this we end our lecture.